She smokes every day. Smoking kills. Don't start. I eat fast food for my dinner every night. Sometimes I pick my nose and eat it if I'm hungry. I bite my nails when I become nervous. Unfortunately, I drink a lot of coffee to wake me up in the morning. Children eat too much sugar in their diet. It's a ticking time bomb. A normal glass of Coke contains lots of sugar. People think I'm crazy, but chocolate talks to me. It says, "Eat me." Fizzy drinks contain lots of sugar in them. I suffer from an addiction to the internet. My mum complains when I use my smartphone at the table. Sometimes I just talk to myself because the whole world has lost its sanity. Never speak with your mouth full. It's bad manners. I chew gum when I'm really nervous. I know I shouldn't, but I sometimes put too much salt on my chips. I don't like going shopping because I always spend too much money. I use my credit card to pay for everything. It has to stop. Children watch too much TV and should be out running about. John doesn't do any exercise. That's why he's unhealthy. I shave every day so that I don't look scruffy. When you smile, the world smiles with you. I laugh every day. Laughter is the best medicine. I talk to positive people. Negative people drain your energy. I do some exercise or go jogging every day. Exercise releases endorphins. I stroke my cat. It helps me to relax. I hug someone every day. It makes me feel better. I hug trees. It gives me energy in the morning. I do a lot of deep breathing. I breathe in through my nose and out through my mouth. It reduces my stress levels. I stretch my body when I wake up in the morning. I meditate every day. It helps me to reduce anxiety levels. I sit outside in the sun. My body needs vitamin D. Love makes the world go round. I take a nap. Your mobile phone needs recharging. Your body also needs recharging. I perform an act of kindness every day. Kindness doesn't cost anything. I take a shower every day. People who shower don't stink. I brush my teeth every day. Poor oral hygiene causes lots of health problems. I dress smartly. Be proud of who you are. I eat healthily. You are what you eat. I pick up a phone and call a friend if I'm feeling depressed. I drink 8 glasses of water per day. Water hydrates my body. It keeps your body hydrated. I eat lots of fruit and vegetables. It helps me to stay healthy. I don't smoke. Smoking kills and causes cancer and lots of other health problems. I go to bed early and get a good night's sleep. The body repairs itself during sleep. I don't drink too much coffee. It makes me hyper. I don't eat any fried food. The fats are not healthy for your body.